Pegasus is spyware developed by the Israeli cyberarms firm NSO Group that can be covertly installed on mobile phones running some versions of iOS and Android. NSO states that it provides authorized governments with technology that helps them combat terror and crime, has published sections of contracts requiring customers only to use its products for criminal and national security investigations, and stated that it has an industry-leading approach to human rights. The spyware is named after the mythical winged horse Pegasus. It is a Trojan horse that can be sent flying through the air to infect phones. It was discovered publicly in August 2016 after a failed attempt at installing it on an iPhone belonging to a human rights activist led to an investigation revealing details about the spyware, its abilities, and the security vulnerabilities it exploited. Pegasus is capable of reading text messages, tracking calls, collecting passwords, tracking location, accessing the target device's microphone and camera, and harvesting information from apps. Apple released version 9.3.5 of its iOS software to fix the vulnerabilities. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.